Here is our next question. Who among the following propounded the theory of zero? The theory of zero was propounded by Aryabhatta. The option is correct here. The school of arts developed during the Kosan period with the mixture of Indian and Greek style is known as. This style is known as Gandhar art, and this is the only art which is the mixture of Indian and Greek style. C option is correct here. Next question. Where was the first Buddhist council held? First Buddhist council held in Rajagriha. C option is correct here. Which of the following ruler was a contemporary of Buddha? The ruler who was the contemporary of Buddha was Bimbisar. B option is correct here. During the reign of the which Pallav ruler began the long drawn struggle between the Pallavas and Chalukyas? So the struggle between Pallavas and Chalukyas began during the reign of Mahendravarman first. A option is correct here. How many spokes are there in Dharma Chakra of the national flags? So there are 24 spokes in the Dharma Chakra of national flag. From which modern state did the Alvar saints originate? Alvar saints originate from Tamil Nadu. A option is correct here. What is Milind Panho? Milind Panho is a Buddhist text. D option is correct here. Well preferred tree fossil supposed to be from Jurassic age in India is reported from. This reported from Chhattisgarh. B option is correct here. Next question. Which one of the following is not a sect of Buddhism? That is not a sect of Buddhism is Digambar, because it is a sect of Jainism. C option is correct here. What is the first sermon of Buddha called as? First sermon of Buddha called as Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta. B option is correct here. Next question. Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha together are known as. Buddha, Dhamm and Sangh together are known as Triratna. A option is correct here. Who was called Lichavi Dohitra? The person who was called Lichavi Dohitra was Chandragupta first. A option is correct here. Next question. Mahavira's first disciple was. Mahavira's first disciple was Jamali. The option is correct here. Vardhaman Mahavir is also known as Jaina. A option is correct here. Which one of the following is not included in the Eightfold Path of Buddhism? The thing that is not included in Eightfold Path of Buddhism is right desire. C option is correct here. Next question. Which one of the following dynasties succeeded the Mauryas? The dynasty which succeeded the Mauryas was Sungas. B option is correct here. The Buddhist monk who spread Buddhism in Tibet was. The monk who spread Buddhism in Tibet was Padmasambhava. D option is correct here. Next question. King Kharvela was the greatest ruler of Chedi dynasty of Kaling. B option is correct here. Pulkeshin II was the greatest ruler of the Chalukyas of Badami. B option is correct here. The Uttar Merur inscription provides information on the administration of the Cholas. D option is correct here. Which one of the following is the principal source of the information on Asoka's campaign against Kalinga? So the source is Rock Edict Earth. D option is correct here. The Gandhar art flourished under the Kushans. Which one of the following inscriptions relate to the Chalukya king Pulkeshin II? So the inscription which relate to the Chalukya king Pulkeshin II is Ahol. C option is correct here. Next question. Which dynasty immediately succeeded the Maurya dynasty and ruled Magad kingdom? So the dynasty was Sung. B option is correct here. Next question. The capital of ancient Chola kingdom was Urayur. A option is correct here. The script of the Indus Valley civilization is undeciphered. B option is correct here. Next question. Name the famous king of Kushan dynasty. Famous king of Kushan dynasty is Kanishk. C option is correct here. Which of the following does not have a stup? Following that does not have a stup is Ranchi. A option is correct here. The site of birth of Gautam Buddha is marked by the Rummindei pillar of Ashok Maurya. B option is correct here. Next question. Which one of the following tribal assemblies was normally involved in the election of tribal chief? So The assembly was Shamiti. A option is correct here. During which one of the following periods of Indian history did the Kshatriyas have a distinct identity? So, this period was Age of Buddha. A option is correct here. Next question. Chinese travelers visited India primarily because they were interested in Buddhism. A option is correct here. The term Upanishad literally implies sitting near. C option is correct here. Next question. The sage is said to have Aryanishad South India was. So it was Auguste. C option is correct here. The origin of Indian music can be traced to which of the following Vedic Samhitas? So it traced from the Samved. V option is correct here. Ashoka spread Buddhism all over India and Ceylon by sending the Dharma Mahamatras. B option is correct here. Here is our next question. In which rock edict Ashoka mentions about the casualties of Kalinga war and declares renunciation of war? So the rock edict was Rock Edict Earth. B option is correct here. The earliest settlements of Aryan tribes were at Sapta Sindhu. C option is correct here. Pancha Siddhantam of Varamihir deals with astronomy. B option is correct here. Which one of the following coins was issued in silver during the Gupta period? So the coin was Rupyaka. C option is correct here. Lothal, the dockyard site of Indus Valley civilization, is situated in Gujarat. A option is correct here. Buddha means enlightened one. D option is correct here. Varamihir was an ancient astronomer. D option is correct here. During the reign of the Bindusar, there was unrest at Takshashila. C option is correct here. Name the Greek ambassador at the Mauryan court. Greek ambassador at the Mauryan court was Megasthenes. Who was the contemporary South Indian ruler of Harshvardhana? Was Pulkeshin II. B option is correct here. Which one of the following is the most lasting contribution of the Rashtrakutas? So the most lasting contribution of the Rashtrakutas was Pampa, Ponna, Ranna, the three writers of Kannada poetry, and Kailasha temple. B option is correct here. Ravikirti, a Jain who composed the Ahol Prasasti, was patronized by Pulkeshin II. C option is correct here. The original founder of the manuscripts and editor of Kautilya's Arthashastra was. So the original founder of this was R. Shastri. C option is correct here. Next question. From which among the following ruler has the government of India borrowed and adopted its symbols? So the ruler was Ashok. 6th century BC was an age of religious ferment. The option is correct here. Which of the following countries has asked India to return the famous dancing girl statue from Mohenjo-daro? So the country was Pakistan. D option is correct here. Who is the founder of Jainism in India? The founder of Jainism in India is Mahavira. B option is correct here. Who compiled the Tales of Panchatantra? So the Tales of Panchatantra was compiled by Vishnu Sharma. C option is correct here. Ajanta caves were built during the period of Gupta. A option is correct here. Which was the backbone of Indus Valley economy? So the backbone of the Indus Valley economy was agriculture. The author of Arthashastra was a contemporary of Chandragupta Maurya. B option is correct here. Which one of the following was the book written by the Amoghavasha, the Rashtrakoot king? So the book was Kaviraj Marg. D option is correct here. Next question. Who built the Kailashnath temple at Ellora? Kailashnath temple at Ellora was built by Krishna first. C option is correct here. Next question. The land measures of second Pandyan empire was mentioned in. So it was mentioned in Thalavaipuram copper platex. A option is correct here. Who was the greatest ruler of Satavahanas? So the greatest ruler of Satavahanas was Gautami Putra Shatkarni. B option is correct here. The word Buddha means a enlightened one. C option is correct here. Who built the famous Vaikuntha Perumal Temple at Kanchipuram. Vaikuntha Perumal Temple at Kanchipuram was built by Nandi Varman II. C option is correct here. The first to invade India were the Aryans. Name the oldest Indian civilization. Oldest Indian civilization is Indus Valley civilization. Who among the following Mughal ruler has been called the Prince of Builders? So the Mughal ruler who has been called the Prince of Builders was Shahjahan. C option is correct here. Name the kingdom which first used elephants in war. The kingdom which first used elephants in war was Magad. B option is correct here. The greatest king of the Pratihar dynasty was Bhoj Mihir Bhoj. B option is correct here. Who is considered founder of Gupta Empire? The founder of Gupta Empire is Sri Gupta. A option is correct here. Kautilya's Arthashastra mainly deals with political statecraft. A option is correct here. One of the following Indus sites is in Pakistan. So the Indus site which is in Pakistan is Harappa. The option is correct here. Who was the author of Telugu work Amukta Malyada? So the author of this work is Krishna Dev Rai. She option is correct here. Who composed the Allahabad pillar inscription? Allahabad pillar inscription was composed by Harisena. A option is correct here. Who built the famous Shiva temple at Ellora? Shiva temple at Ellora was built by Rashtrakoot ruler Krishna first. A option is correct here. Which of the Kushan ruler patronized Buddhism? The ruler was Kanishka who patronized Buddhism. C option is correct here. Which of the following was the early capital of Rashtrakoot? Early capital of Rashtrakoot was Ellora. B option is correct here. Whose army did Alexander the Greek ruler confront on the banks of river Jhelum? So the army was Porus. D option is correct here. Find the odd one. Here the name has given Samveda, Yajurveda, Vishnu Puran and Rig Veda. So here will be different one will be Vishnu Puran because Samved, Yajurved and Rig Ved all these are Ved. C option is correct here. Next question. Which Indian ruler fought the Kaling War? The ruler who fought the Kaling War was Ashok. Name the republic which was a confederacy of tribes in 6th century BC. So the republic was Vajji. B option is correct here. A collective term used by the Jains for their sacred books is Angas. B option is correct here. In which of the following mudra did Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath? So his mudra was Dharma Chakra mudra. C option is correct here. Kamarup is an ancient name of which region of India? So the name was Assam. Kamarup, the name of which region? And the region was Assam. D option is correct here. Who among the following was ruler from the Kushan dynasty? So the ruler was Kadphises first was the first ruler of Kushan dynasties. C option is correct here. Next question. What is the popular name of monolithic rock shrines at Mahabalipuram? So the name of popular monolithic rock shrine at Mahabalipuram is Rathas. A option is correct here. The people of Indus Valley civilization worshipped Pashupati. B option is correct here. The Upanishads are the source of Hindu philosophy. The word Satyamev Jayate have been derived from which Upanishad? So the word Satyamev Jayate have been derived from Mundak Upanishad. B option is correct here. Tripitakas are sacred book of Buddhist. D option is correct here. With which religion is Kaivalya associated? So the Kaivalya is associated with Jainism. The first Buddhist council was held at Rajagriha. B option is correct here. Who was the founder of Satavahan Empire? So the founder of Satavahana Empire was Simuka. B option is correct here. Next question. Gandhar art is the combination of Indo-Greek. B option is correct here. Match the following: Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangan and Lothal. The things that have found there are statue of a priest, pot, plug marks and the great bath. So we will have to match all these things. Mohenjo-daro, there have been found the great bath. Harappa, there have been found plug marks. Kalibangan, statue of a priest, and Lothal, port. This will be the correct answer. 4, and then there will be 3, then there will be 2, and then there will be 1. Next question. Ajanta Ellora caves are situated near which of the following? So it has been situated near Aurangabad. B option is correct here. Chalukya temples, Jain temples at Dilwara are situated in Rajasthan. Vikramshila University was founded by Dharmapal, who were the patrons of Sangama literature. Patrons of Sangam literature was Pandyas. Which of the following is not true about Ajanta caves? The thing or the statement that is not true according to Ajanta caves is they depict the techniques used in ancient India. C option is correct here. Next question. What is the Mehrauli pillar in complex of Qutub Minar primarily famous for? It is primarily famous for excellent quality steel. C option is correct here. Which script was used in Asoka's inscriptions? So the script which was used in Asoka's inscriptions was Brahmi. A option is correct here. Who among the following was the court physician of Kanishk? The person who was the court physician of Kanishka was Charak. C option is correct here. The Veda which deals with rituals is known as Yajurveda. B option is correct here. The capital of the Mauryan kingdom was located at. So the capital of the Mauryan kingdom was located at Pataliputra. A option is correct here. Where is the Bridheshwar temple built during the Chola period located? Bridheshwar temple built during the Chola period located Tanjavur. C option is correct here. Who among the following was the first grammarian of the Sanskrit language? So the first grammarian of the Sanskrit language was Panini. D option is correct here. To which Ganarajya Gautam Buddha belonged? Gautam Buddha belonged to the Sakya Ganarajya. B option is correct here. The school of Indian art, which is also known as the Greco-Roman Buddhist art, is the Des school. So it is the Gandhar school. Which of the following Pallava kings assumed the title of Vatapikonda after defeating the great Chalukyan king Pulkeshin II? So the king was Narsimhavarman first. A option is correct here. Harsha moved his capital from Harsha moved his capital from Thaneshwar to Kannauj. C option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following Harappan sites had a dockyard? So the Harappan site which had a dockyard was Lothal. C option is correct here. Next question. Aryabhatta and Kalidasa were in the court of which Gupta emperor? So they were in the court of Chandragupta II. B option is correct here. The language in which Buddha preached in the language Pali. C option is correct here. Ashoka was a king of which dynasty? So he was the king of Maurya dynasty. C option is correct here. Mohenjo-daro in Sindhi means the mound of dead. D option is correct here. Who was the Hampi known for? What was the Hampi known for? Hampi was known for, it was the capital of Vijayanagar. D option is correct here. Buddha gave his first sermon at the Deer Park in Sarnath. B option is correct here.